We'll guide you through how to manage Stripe subscriptions with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Look for the Subscriptions tab on the left sidebar and click on it. This will take you to the Subscriptions Overview page where you can see all your active and inactive subscriptions. To manage a specific subscription, click on the subscription ID or the customer name. This will open the Subscription Details page. Here, you can view all the relevant information like the customer's contact details, the plan they're subscribed to, and the billing cycle. If you wish to update the subscription, click on the Update Subscription button. You can change the billing date, quantity, or switch to a different plan. To cancel a subscription, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Cancel Subscription button. Stripe will prompt you to select a cancellation reason and a cancellation behavior, such as whether to cancel immediately or at the end of the billing period. Choose the option that suits your needs and confirm. Additionally, if you need to pause a subscription, there's an option for that too under the Pause Subscription button. You can specify a pause duration or an indefinite pause until further notice. Remember, managing subscriptions efficiently helps in maintaining a smooth cash flow and customer relationship. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.